Hey, Scott here at Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and watching our channel. We really do appreciate it. If you don't mind, take the time to hit the like button down there. Whoa. We got a little bit of snow still out here, but we've got a gift of a day here. It was like 52 degrees. The snow's melting slowly. But yeah, if you don't mind, take the time to hit the like button and subscribe. If you don't, I actually have quite a few viewers, but I don't have that many subscribers. So, and it does make a difference. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. I would appreciate it. But we're gonna get out here today and cut this tree up that fell down the hill here a few weeks ago. But I need to get down here and get the excavator started. And I'll go get the tractor. And we'll get this thing, hopefully I have the keys, yeah, down here. But we'll get this started. Here's the tree over here. That's that tree that came down. All these other trees around here, that one, and at least the one there, those have got to come down because they're dead. You see the bark going away that one. But I got to get this one cut down. We are about to get a pretty good snowstorm, and so I want to bring the excavator up the hill here. So we're going to try to get it up the hill. But I need to get this cut up before I do that. So we're going to get this guy started and warmed up. I'm going to go, I'm going to let this warm up. I'm going to go get the tractor down here with the chainsaws and stuff, and then we'll get up here and get this thing cut up. And trying to do here is just get this cleaned up right here in this area, take the bigger pieces down the hill, and we'll either get them cut down here, or I'll go put them in my pile over. I actually have a pile of logs. I may do that. And then there's all this other scrap. I've got that burn pit that I dug out a few weeks ago. I'll go throw all that stuff on top of there and we'll get it burnt. But let me get these big things rolled down the hill and we'll get this cleared up. Sorry about that. Did you survive? You're a little dirty. Sorry about that. Gonna back you up a little more. All right, we got the majority of this picked up. I got those big logs moved over there to my log pile, and then got the majority of the limbs that I took off moved. There's a few left here, but I'll wait till a better day. It's starting to get late in the day now, and I'll bring the tractor over here and we'll get this all picked up and put in the burn pile and burn in that pit at some point. So, but we're supposed to get pretty good snow this weekend, so I wanted to get this done. We actually have a pretty decent day. It got to like 51 or 52 today, so still have a lot of snow on the ground, but we got a lot more coming. So I did want to get this tree up and get the excavator up the hill, which I did. So we're going to put the tractor back in the shop and get picked up for the night. But I just want to say thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. It's just stuff that comes up like this, that down tree that I need to get up. Hopefully you like this content. We got a lot more of it, and we got a lot of plans this spring coming up and summer, so hopefully you'll come back and watch the content we have. I try to get videos out every Tuesday and Thursdays at 6 a.m. I don't think I've ever missed Tuesday or Thursday, 6 a.m. Sometimes I get a third one out, but just kind of depends on what's going on. But we really do appreciate you watching our videos. Thanks a lot. Again, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe and share our videos, and try to get your friends to subscribe too. We really do appreciate it. Y'all take care, and catch you on the next video.